Hi, in this video I will show you how to create Roblox games on phone. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your browser, any browser you are using, and search for the roblox.com. Once you will search for it, you will see screen like this. You have to tap on the continue in browser. Now you have to click on the three dot icon on the right top, and here you have to click on the desktop site and you will see page like this. Now you have to click on the create here and you will see page like this. Now you have to click on the create new game. And after that you will see different game types here. Select any, and from the basic settings you will write your game name and description, and from the access button you will give the option on which type of the computer or the phone your game is accessible. And in the advanced setting you will see more options. Read it and after that create it. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.